Y'all love how I'm talking like I've done this before? I haven't.
You know it. So let me talk to you real quick. Get godly real quick with you. What you know? Feel me? Pretty women in line. Swear to God that they fine. Hate that I don't have time, but love that I go for mine. My sexy lady, fantasize about Mercedes. Can't afford the lady.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something that has never been done. It may have been done. I have not researched it. I have been warned by my sister not to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm going to nair my brows. So this is my logic, okay? My logic is that if I do my brows how I normally would do them and just nair around them, it's like I'm getting a wax, right? Even though I usually get them threaded, I'm not about to try that on my own, and I'm about to try to wax them on my own either, so I'm just gonna nair them. So here's what I'm gonna use to do this. I'm gonna use a concealer brush, right? Very clean, has nothing on it. Actual concealer, okay. Dark brown, just to do my brows. Nair. The good part about this experiment is that if I do mess up my brows, I know how to do my brows, right? So, you know, if I'm at home and I don't wear any makeup, then maybe I won't have any brows, but does it really matter? I live by myself, I could care less. So without further ado, okay, so you guys are up and close and personal, just how I like it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually do my brows. Okay, so in theory, this is what my brows should look like the next time I do them. They never even, like this one always have more of an arch because I used to do these in high school with the razor. And then this one just is like the one that has the most hair and it's really chill. So theoretically, this is what they should look like. Yeah, I don't even want to say I'm scared because I really don't care because I ain't got no job time. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put my Nair on. I didn't think about the fact that I had concealer on my brow, so I hope the Nair works outside the brow. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and I'm gonna wipe around the concealer so it's just skin, Nair to skin. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I don't know if that was counterproductive or like really, really smart, but I did it anyway. So now I'm gonna take my concealer brush and my Nair, and we're just gonna get it popping. I mean, like, and this is actually, just so you guys know, face cream. I use it to take off my mustache. This is Nair face cream. It's a different Nair from the Nair that you use down south, if you do use Nair down there. And so the directions are: remove all makeup. See, good thing I did that. You think I read the directions before I filmed, but I did it and I don't. Squeeze the cream onto fingertips, spread a thick layer even to cover hair. Do not rub in. Wash your hands. Leave cream on for 5 minutes. Normally for my mustache, I leave it on for like 10 minutes. But for my eyebrows, I'm definitely just gonna leave it on for the 5 minutes suggested because baby, this is already a risky situation. All right, so I'm just I'm just gonna do it. I mean, the only thing is I don't think Nair is for your eyelids, so I would probably not get it there. Y'all love how I'm talking like I've done this before? I haven't. All right, so I think this eyebrow is gonna be the more difficult one only because this one has more hair at the top, this one doesn't. So okay, so I have 2 different timers. So one for this brow, since I finished this brow first, and then I'm gonna have a different one for this one so that, you know, I'm not bald headed. I'm already bald lidded. I don't wanna be bald foreheaded. All right, now we wait. I'm thinking like maybe I shouldn't do 5 minutes. Maybe I should do 7. I mean, my eyebrow hair is pretty strong. We'll see. I'm gonna start with this one, so I put this one on first. Ooh, I'm gonna tell you one thing, I'm not scared. Let's just hope all the hair don't come off. I know what I'm acting scared for, because I'm scared. Do the top. So my spidey senses are telling me that this hair will be back like next week or something, but we don't know. Okay, so while I'm over here playing, let me do my other eyebrow. Oops. This was pretty risky. And so this is a damp paper towel I'm using, and then I'm just going through with a paper towel that's dry. You should really use a washcloth, but it's a laundry day. Every day's laundry day for me. All right, so now I'm gonna pluck, which I hate plucking. I don't even ever pluck my brows, but I can't live like this, so I'm just gonna pluck the little remaining babies who didn't want to pay their rent. Now they don't have to get evicted. Okay, so if this was somebody else doing this tutorial, I would want to know, okay, but what your brows look like without all the stuff on it. So I'm about to see. We about to find out together. So let's see if I ruined my brows or I haven't ruined my brows. I'm not going to put anything on the red areas because I wouldn't let them do it at the shop. So I'm not going to do it myself because I do get irritated easily because I do have bad skin. So let's just go ahead. This is a makeup remover wipe, by the way. Let's just see what they're looking like. See if I ruin them forever or if they straight. Okay, so I can't remember what they looked like before this, but this is not how they look like at the shop. But I mean, this is doable for me. I might have ruined my brows. I don't know. Would I recommend this to the normal person? I don't know. I just, thank you for watching this tutorial. Am I bald foreheaded now? I don't really know. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, do all the stuff you need to do. I've been drinking.